Hello my lovelies, I hope you've been well. So this is a delivery from Meow Illustration. Probably my last planner of the year. So I get this every year. I try to not get it every year. I cave every year because it's a beautiful planner, and this year especially it's citrus and like fruits theme, so it's hard for me to say no to it. So there you go. I got it again this year, even though I'm still not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this planner yet, but I know 100% that I wanted it. Also a slight downgrade because they used to send this in a box, in like a nice box, but now it's just in a little satchel, which makes me a little bit sad. I'm just scared that the edges might get a little bit like, you know, not great, but they add like 2 layers of bubble tape, so it should be okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, one of my tape is so squished. Look at that. Can you see how squished that is? That's a little bit saddening. I didn't know PET tape can squish this much, but yeah, it's squished. So I got one in floral and one in fruity, but yeah, a bit sad that it got all squished. As usual, I order straight from Pinkoi, and usually when you order straight from Pinkoi, they add extra stuff. Like all these are extras. I think these are actually sticker, and some of these. Is this a thank you card? What is this? Why is it so cute? I'm just so concerned about the state of the planner now, seeing that even the hard PET tape can get squished like that. So, oh, it's more stickers. I love this. I love getting stickers. So those are stickers. What about this one? I wonder if it's the same. Oh, it's like notepads, but they're all different. Well, not all of them, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 designs. That's cute. Okay. The cover that I really wanted is the one with the berries, and I think that's like a slide only version. So yeah, I think this is the one I wanted. I think. Oh, actually, maybe this one. Yeah, the cover, the bonus. Oh, look, it's so like squished. That makes me sad. I get it every year, but this one, usually they come in a nice box, so it's all squished up, and even that is like, you know. The color of this though, I'm so happy that it's like warm colored. Like last year we got a cool color, and it's a bit harder to use with all my tapes and stuff, but this year I'm so glad it's cool color. But also, okay, I thought we were losing the to-do list. I'm almost like very sad. Actually, this cover is pretty good too. So maybe it's an okay thing that this is the one that got squished, because I like this cover more. But anyway, I'll do a flip through of this. You get your yearly schedule and then monthly schedule to break down things. This is gonna be good to break down goals and stuff, I think. And then some planning notes. There's one that is divided into 12. This is divided into 8. And then there's more. Yeah, that's divided into 4. So that's funny though, because I thought it would have been like 2 and then 8 and then 12 instead of going bigger to smaller, but I don't know. But oh my god, the illustrations are so nice. This is probably my favorite year of illustration. I find it a little bit weird that they still use like very cool tone colors for these, because the whole everything else comes out very warm. But oh my god, I'm already obsessed with this. Like the sides, it's very nice, very cheerful. Lots of different flowers and stuff. They actually added this as well. This year they didn't have the January on here, but I guess when it says February, but it's not, it's the previous month, they add that in the bottom. Kind of nice. But I really love the illustrations. Look at that, it's a fig this month. Oh, that looks beautiful. Really love this planner. Oh, I thought I ripped something. That sounds like I was ripping something, but it was just the bookmark. But I'm gonna do it a little bit quicker, flip through. I just want to show you all the like monthlies. Usually is the one that has a lot of, oh, that's really nice. Nice too. It's somehow, I feel like it's fuller and more cheerful this year, which is very nice. I'm just gonna like flip through it really quickly because they're mostly consist of a monthly, and then this part that I really like, which is mostly for your to-do list and stuff, but it's divided into different sections so you can categorize it however you like. So I like that about this. And then all the weeklies after that. So I'll just do it really quickly because I really love these illustrations. Oh, this one is probably one of my favorite because it's very muted. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, so that's the planner. I'm a bit bummed that it went a little bit squished. Maybe I'll send them a message and said, you know, next year if you can go back to your boxes again, because this makes me sad. And look how squished this is. I'll open it now. Look how squishy they are. It's not even round anymore. It's a little triangle. I'm hoping it won't make, like, you know, the PET anything. It won't decrease the quality of the PET, which it shouldn't. But I'm also just thinking like how rough we were the post treating my this if it gets so squished like that. This one is thankfully fine, but I can use this to show you how different it is, like the one that is round and the one that is like a little bit like, it looks like an egg shape, don't you think? Look, it's an egg. This one is round and this one's an egg. But anyway, I'll open it up. And oh, it's so nice. She doesn't usually do a lot of, okay, hang on, let me move this out because so you can see it on a white background, so you can see it properly, because she doesn't usually do PET, and PET that doesn't have the holo. Like her few recent PET have all had holo, and I'm not really into holographic, so when this comes out I'm very interested. And plus usually her PET tapes are of just one flowers repeated throughout, but this one has a few different ones, So I'm very glad. I think it repeats already because I'm pretty sure that's the kangaroo pouch. Yes, so it's not a very long loop. I think maybe it's 125 centimeter loop, but it's very nice. I'm very excited to use this because how beautiful are these flowers. Even though my little egg-shaped PET roll, that when you roll it back, it's kind of a little bit more awkward because I think the top and the bottom is not squished at the same rate. Like the top is more squished than this one. This one's a bit rounder still, so it's a little bit awkward. Maybe I'll just de-roll this into strips. Yes, I think this is gonna annoy me a little bit. And this one is the fruit roll, and I'm so excited for this because I really love fruits. So you have orange, you have a fig, and this is a pear, a lemon. Oh, there's flowers as well. Pimenta rosa, bergamot, blackberry. Oh, I love the blackberry. There's s'mores, tangerine, and this is orange, and it repeats. So it's just another like short loop, but I am glad anyway because then that means I get more of each of them, and I'm happy too. So those are the two PET tapes that I got. I'm so happy she released this collection because, like I said, I used to get a lot of her tape, and then recently I felt like it was usually it's just one flower and then repeated in a lot of different ways, but I now appreciate PET tapes that has more variety on them, and these two are definitely has more variety on them compared to her older tapes. So I really love this series. So yeah, I hope that helps, and I hope if you're getting them, I hope you get it on a box. If you get it straight from her, maybe write a note to put them in a box because this is not a great experience if it's squished like that. Okay, so I just want to do a quick update video because I did contact the people at Meow Illustrations that the packaging wasn't sufficient and that it was a little bit bent. I was only intending on saying that so they strengthen packages for the future because they used to use these craft they used to use these boxes and it was much better, but they got back to me super quick and they said they will resend, and in the end they resent me a whole package, and I only sent them pictures of my PET tape and one of my PET tape because the other one was fine. This one, where's that? Ooh. This one that is crazily bent like an egg, and my planner that is a little bit bent, and they sent me a whole replacement of it and a few bonuses. So these two I didn't order, so I think this is like a bonus, and some little freebies and the journal. So I just want to do an update video because I feel like this is probably like one of the best customer service, because sometimes when it's bent like that, I've gotten things from, say, ink places, and when I told them that, you know, their ink was leaking, they didn't do anything about it. Basically, they didn't offer any refunds, or they didn't offer to send the next one, or even like, I don't know, a 10% discount or something. But this one, they send it over again and it's pristine condition because obviously they now have a box to do it in, and I'm very happy with the customer service. They are also very responsive. So I just want to say that if you're deciding to get from the Pinkoi or not, because it's straight from them, so I think the customer service is much better. So yeah, I just want to update you with that, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, take care, and stay creative. Bye bye.